Hey, this is Debbie, and for the first time on my blog, I wanted to do a video walkthrough of one of the strangest interactions I'd ever seen on a website. This is an e-commerce website that I found for a product called So Easy Rider, and I decided to buy this after seeing a YouTube video that a British guy shot with the same type of motorbike that I drive, so I was pretty sold on it from his British video in English, and I found this website, and this is what it was like. So here I've already selected USA, which means it's translated some things into English, but not everything, and I don't speak French. Now, as I scroll down, all I get is a lot of sales stuff. I'm going to blow past that to show you some of the e-commerce experience. So let's say I get here and now I'm ready to buy something. They happen to have this in multiple sizes, and I'm not quite sure what size 2 is or what other sizes are, but I'm just going to pick something just so you can see how this works. I've clicked Add to Cart. Now, I don't know if I've actually added anything to the cart yet. There was no messaging. What I am seeing now is a page, and it looks like I need to go through a process. So it looks like I haven't added it to my cart. So now it's asking me a question. What size is your smartphone? Well, I didn't see a choice other than this one, so when I tried to do this yesterday, I kept clicking Add to Cart, and it would draw this red box around here and say, no, 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 you have to select an option. And I'm thinking, well, you're only giving me one choice, so I don't know what you want me to do, but evidently this is a radio button. And once I pick the radio button, you can see the page move down. Very practical option for motorcycle tank bag. And now it wants me to pick something else. I can't just click Add to Cart and get out of this. Here's my red dotted line again. I have to pick one of these. Do I want self-adhesive Velcro for the motorcycle tank bag, or do I want to go to the next step? When I click next step, they try to sell me something else. Well, now I've kind of got the clue of how this interaction works, but it is incredibly non-traditional and a bit heavy-handed and long-winded for I'm just trying to buy this one thing. I have to keep saying next step to get away from this. Do you want more? A wired earpiece, your smartphone has a headset, continue without a headset. Well, this was a confusing question to me because my smartphone does have a headset connection and I already have a headset, so I couldn't quite tell if they were trying to get me to buy a headset. Oh, they are. So then the question is, okay, I don't need that. Continue without a headset because I couldn't tell if that meant I had one or I needed one. Now they're trying to sell me a spare battery. Honestly, I have 2 of those. Now I get to say Add to Cart. And there it is. It was added to the cart. And when I go to the cart, here it is. So it almost looks like here you can see all those steps that I took and what I chose. So they're using some sort of very strange e-commerce system that seems to have a parent item and then a child with a sub-child with a sub-sub-child with a sub-sub-sub-child. All I can say is this is the strangest thing I've ever seen. I didn't think that screenshotting it was going to really explain it as well as a video could. So thank you very much for watching and reading my blog, and go make great experiences.